Imagine a helicopter, okay, quite far away, slowly coming closer, it's just getting louder, just progressively gets louder, until basically it is that unbearable that it literally makes like your pillow vibrate, you can feel it.
I'd like to think that it was cute.
Strongly disagree.
That's horrible.
It's not cute because it's kept me awake for so long. Snoring has impacted us quite a lot, really. Pretty much woke me up every single night for the first year that we were together.
When Jonny told me, I was mortified, in all honesty.
I had to come down here and sleep on the sofa.
It's not very nice waking up and he's not there.
Yeah, it was bad.
I think me snoring probably drove us apart a little bit, because obviously not sleeping together, you haven't got the intimacy, and you were very grumpy in the morning, I was very grumpy in the morning.
I think it was just more out of frustration, really, wasn't it? Yeah.
Please put it in, please put it in.
Yeah, it is true. As soon as it came through the letterbox, that was it. I was just like, right, put it in tonight. I'm trying it. When Hannah used the mute, it really helped.
I woke up in the morning, felt dead refreshed. My breathing is so much better now.
There's nothing. There's no snoring whatsoever. It's just gone so much better. I can actually have a decent night's sleep. It's had a positive impact, yeah. I'm actually civil with each other in the morning.
We can go out and do things together because we're not like tired.
Yeah, we're not constantly tired.
We're planning on going for cocktails later.
Yeah. Just why not?
So that'd be nice.
Yeah, it'd be nice. Go out for a meal.